right superior coronary ligament. This is the inferior coronary ligament. This is the right
triangular
ligament, and this is the left triangular ligament. This is not that important. It is important.
This is very important. You will get to know.
About the right lobe now. So okay, so this is the quadrate lobe, this is the quadrate lobe. Well, the right lobe is 5/6 of the whole liver, and this is left lobe is 1/6 of the liver. This is caudate lobe, this is quadrate lobe, this is caudate lobe, and this is the caudate process. Now, between the caudate lobe and the quadrate lobe is the porta hepatis. Now, the hepatic artery, hepatic nerve plexus and portal vein enter the porta hepatis, whereas the right and left hepatic ducts exit the porta hepatis. This is the porta hepatis. Now it has an upper lip and a lower lip. So the upper lip and the lower lip of porta hepatis are bounded to the lesser omentum. Which the lesser omentum extends from the lesser curvature of the stomach to the upper and lower lips of the porta hepatis of liver. Now the caudate lobe is the caudate lobe is bounded on the right by the inferior vena cava, on the left by the groove for the ligamentum venosum, and inferiorly by the porta hepatis. Now the quadrate lobe is bounded. Basically now for the boundaries of the quadrate lobe, we consider the liver in this position. Okay, so in this position this becomes anterior, right? So the quadrate lobe is bounded anteriorly by the inferior border. As I said, for boundaries we consider this boundaries of the quadrate lobe. So it is bounded anteriorly by the inferior border, anteriorly by the anteriorly by the inferior border, posteriorly by the porta hepatis, on the right by the fossa for gallbladder, on the left by the fissure for ligamentum teres. Now tuberomental. Now there is an upward rounded elevation of the left lobe near the lower part of the fossa of the fissure for the ligamentum venosum. In short, this part is the tuberomental. This rounded part. Now the relations. So there are peritoneal and visceral relations. So the peritoneal relations are the three bare areas. Okay. So bare areas are the parts in the liver which are not covered by peritoneum. Maximum of the liver is covered by peritoneum except for the three bare areas, which are groove for inferior vena cava, fossa for gallbladder, and the triangular bare area. Okay, so these three are the peritoneal relations. Okay, so these three are the peritoneal relations. Now the triangular bare area is bounded its upper part is bounded by the superior layer of coronary ligament, the inferior layer of coronary ligament, and the right triangular ligament. Now the visceral relations. So the anterior part of the liver is related to the anterior abdominal wall, the xiphoid process, which would be somewhere over here. Okay. By the anterior abdominal, the anterior abdominal wall, the xiphoid process, and to the right and to the diaphragm on both its sides. Now the posterior surface is related to the concavity of the vertebral column. पहले पॉज कर, एक सेकेंड पॉज कर.